got mad punch.
All right.
I got that name for you. Sorry.
All right, come on.
You want Monet to come?
Huh? Yeah.
Same shit.
Yeah. Yeah, again.
Yo, check me in the crib with my...
Wait. Time out. Rewind. You have to project your voice, because I don't know what's wrong with my camera's retarded, so come, you gonna have to check. Look at this stripper right here. Yes, stripper, dance stripper! Yes! Alright, come on.
Yo, check me in the crib with my pen to the paper. The world is a bitch, but life is what you make her. I need a vacation, send me up to Jamaica. Play maker like Phil Jackson, I should be a Laker. Don't ask me for nothing, I ain't a giver, I'm a taker. Let the girls come to me, I never really been a chaser. Ready to go, delete your flow, no erase. I can kill you in about 60 seconds with a stapler. E-kid ripping the mic, it's alright. My rhymes keep you awake, you'll stay up all night. The police is rotten, but their guns is alright. Girls acting like boys, what's left is all dykes. Less haircuts results in afros, I'm on fire. Cool me off with mad hoes. You're a butt crack, your girl is an asshole. Amazing, I made happy feet get sad toes. I'm a left your nigga to mess with. I rate them on the track, don't say we had sex, bitch. Hardly ever depressed, I don't really stress shit. I murdered everybody, go get me arrested. I ain't really feeling hot, so I'm on to the next chick. Leave the bitch behind, put her name on my X list. Yo, check this, I'm up close like 3D. Snitches got more info than the PC. Be you, be free, make shit easy. Cold like Freezy, hard working, free cheese. Don't play games unless you're a P3. Hoping to find myself on the B with the ET.
Hey! Bob, we in here! Hey, you Jenny! We in here, baby! And what? We in here! You wanna be a part of the movement, baby? Are you ready to be a part of Look at this stripper right here! Look at this stripper dropping stuff! What? Dropping stuff! Look, dropping things! Yes, pick it up, stripper! Exactly! Wait, I need to hang this. Let me hang this. Let me put this right here. Let me see if this. So I'm gonna have to say to me.
Yo, you can whack a hoe with this phone. Let me stop.
All right. So this is. Let me see.
Let's go back to my mirror.
Hold on. Wait, hold on. Let me see if this is
I'm gonna need an outlet because all that shit over there. So
What is hell? My neck is making me hot.
and you're still triple either way.
I know you.
Let me see if this.
To let you go. If I have to beg you, please, for your sympathy, I don't mind. Yo, I got issues today.
Keep singing.
I don't remember the rest of the words.
You better start singing something that I know.
Keep singing. I'm gonna have to lean this on somewhere. So entertain my camera while I find somewhere to lean this.
So you want me to go blah blah blah?
No, you were singing just now. I need to
singing, and then I'm gonna sing whatever else that I could possibly think of that goes hell no. Cause I sure as hell don't. So sing your next one. I don't know, yeah.
Ew, you such a stripper. Oh my god. So I needed somebody to
Yes.
Okay. Alright. We want to start the meeting because I'm about to call my little sister.
Someone still ain't bring his ass. The camera is right on me.
It is? Wait, hold on. It's not on you. It probably seems as if it's on you, but it's not really. Okay, let me try to move it like this.
Really putting no music on my iPod, like it's ridiculous.
Let me see. Alright, let me see if this is it right now.
Oh, that's it. I'm mad at that, right? This cat cake looking great.
For no reason in my school today.
This cake looking great.
Alright, let me stop right now. Let me stop.